Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply hyaluronic acid serum. Start by cleansing your face to remove any makeup or dirt. This ensures your skin is a clean canvas for the serum. After cleansing, gently pat your face with a clean towel, leaving it slightly damp. Hyaluronic acid works best when applied to moist skin, as it draws in water from the environment and locks it into your skin, maximizing its hydrating benefits. Now, dispense about 2 to 3 drops of hyaluronic acid serum onto your fingertips. Less is often more with potent serums. Gently press the serum onto your face and neck, distributing it evenly. Avoid rubbing vigorously. A gentle patting motion helps with absorption and prevents unnecessary pulling on your skin. Give the hyaluronic acid serum about 30 to 60 seconds to fully absorb into your skin. You'll feel your skin becoming plump and hydrated. This brief waiting period ensures the serum can do its job effectively. Next, apply your favorite moisturizer. This crucial step creates a barrier, locking in the hydration provided by the hyaluronic acid and preventing moisture loss throughout the day or night. For optimal results, incorporate hyaluronic acid serum into your routine twice a day, both morning and night. Consistency is key to achieving and maintaining hydrated, supple skin. Remember to always apply it to damp skin. Also, consider using a serum with a concentration of 1% to 2% hyaluronic acid for effective hydration without stickiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.